In this video, we take a look at the role a supplier plays in the SAP system and how it is managed. The supplier is a central master data component in the SAP system and forms the basis for procurement processes, purchase orders, and invoice processing. In SAP S/4HANA, vendor management is realized via the business partner concept, allowing vendor master data to be recorded centrally and used efficiently. A supplier in the SAP system can take on various roles. In addition to the basic supplier role, which is used for purchasing and order processing, it can also be managed as a vendor in order to process financial transactions such as invoice verification and payments. By maintaining master data centrally, all relevant information can be managed in a standardized structure. A supplier is created and maintained using the BP transaction code. General data such as name, address, and communication information that applies to all business transactions can be stored here. In addition, specific data is maintained for the respective business role. In the supplier role, payment terms, currency, tax information, and purchasing organizations can be assigned, among other things. Financial processing takes place via the vendor role, in which company code-related data such as the reconciliation account, terms of payment, and bank details are stored. The integration of the supplier master in various SAP modules enables efficient management of procurement processes. In the SAP Materials Management module, the supplier is used in the purchasing processes to create purchase orders, record goods receipts, and check invoices. The SAP Finance module accesses vendor data to process payments and manage outstanding liabilities. Thanks to this seamless link, the SAP system ensures that all processes run smoothly and the master data remains consistent. The introduction of the business partner model also brings many advantages for supplier management. Centralized master data maintenance reduces redundancies, as supplier information does not have to be created multiple times. The ability to assign multiple roles to a supplier increases flexibility and ensures a standardized database across different business processes. To summarize, the supplier in the SAP system is an essential component for a company's procurement and financial processes. Centralized management as a business partner, multi-role capability, and deep integration into various modules enable efficient and transparent master data management. SAP thus ensures that companies can optimally control and manage their supplier relationships.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.